Hello students, today we are going to study magnetic materials. Based on different magnetic properties of material, already we discussed in last lecture. Magnetic materials are classified as, first one is diamagnetic material. Second one is paramagnetic. Third is ferromagnetic. Next, antiferromagnetic. Fifth one is ferrimagnetic. In this topic, we are discuss some out of these material. Three materials we are going to study, which are diamagnetic, paramagnetic, and ferromagnetic materials or substances. So let's start today's topic. In case of diamagnetic substance, these substances are repelled by magnet. Means what? In case of this diamagnetic substance, first point is what? These substances are repelled by magnet. If this is magnet, I mean north and south pole, if a diamagnetic substance placed near this magnet, then this substance is repelled from this magnet. Means what? Don't attract by this magnet. In case of paramagnetic substance, if paramagnetic substance placed near the magnet, then this material is attracted towards this magnet. In case of ferromagnetic substance, this attraction is very strongly, quickly attracted towards this magnet. Second point, these substances, in case of diamagnetic substance, if we place in magnetic field, consider this is magnetic field in this direction, consider H, this is magnetic field strength or B. If we place diamagnetic substance in this magnetic field, then magnetization in this diamagnetic substance is oppositely directed to the magnetic field. If magnetic field is in this direction, then magnetization produced in diamagnetic substance is in this direction. Means what? Oppositely directed. In case of paramagnetic substance, when you place a paramagnetic substance in magnetic field, then direction of magnetic field is in direction and magnetization produced in paramagnetic substance, means this substance, is also in this direction, means both are in same direction. In case of ferromagnetic, similarly as paramagnetic substance, means direction of magnetic field same as that of magnetization produced in this ferromagnetic substance. Third point, when diamagnetic solution is filled in U-shaped tube and consider this one is a U-shaped tube and liquid diamagnetic substance is field in this tube. If we place a magnet like that, then this diamagnetic substance is what is level. The level of the diamagnetic substance is below, means what is move in direction. Means what level is lowered. Lower. In case of paramagnetic, same process. If we consider this tube and place a paramagnetic material solution like that, magnet is placed near one arm, then this level is rises up, means like that. Here this rises up. Similarly in ferromagnetic material, but no liquid ferromagnetic substance. We don't get liquid form of ferromagnetic substance. Next point. The permeability is less than 1 in case of diamagnetic substance. Means permeability is denoted by mu is less than 1. In case of paramagnetic substance is greater than 1. And in case of ferromagnetic substance is much greater than 1. Much greater than 1. And in case of susceptibility, in diamagnetic substance, susceptibility is negative. Is denoted by this symbol, is negative. And in paramagnetic is positive, but small. And in case of ferromagnetic substance, it is large and positive. Okay, get it? Then next point, they move stronger magnetic field to the weaker magnetic field. Consider this example. Here there is a strong magnetic field. As mentioned here, they move from stronger to weaker magnetic field. Here there is a stronger magnetic field and here there is a weaker magnetic field. Then it moves from stronger to weaker. In case of paramagnetic materials are moved from weaker to stronger. Weaker to stronger. In case of ferromagnetic substance, they are rapidly moved from weaker to stronger. Then next point, if we place diamagnetic substance near a magnet, then magnetic field are moving away from this substance like that. They are not passed from this substance. In case of paramagnetic, this is paramagnetic substance, this is magnet. Then some of the magnetic lines are passed from this or passed through this paramagnetic material. And in case of ferromagnetic, majority lines are passed from this ferromagnetic substance. This is the diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic materials. In case of diamagnetic, for example, water and NaCl. Paramagnetic materials are, for example, aluminium or sodium. And ferromagnetic substances are iron, cobalt and nickel.